So I'm going to be trying to level out the deck on my lawnmower today, and you can see the streaks. You can see where one side is higher in the cut than the other side. This left side is a little lower than the right side. Maybe you can see that, maybe you can't. Here's a pretty extreme example right here. See how it actually cut down on the left side there. And so what I'm going to be trying to do is level the deck on the snapper and try to get a better looking cut here, a more even cut. So let's get started on that. So to level the deck, I brought it into the basement here. This floor should be level here, and I've got the tire pressure where I want them to be. I've got the two rear at the equal air pressure, and then the two front have equal air pressure. Looking around, I found some blocks of wood here. Each one of these is like 5/8 in width, so they're all the same thickness. And I really probably only need one of these for this job, but I think it'll be helpful to have 4 of these because I want to show you how far off this deck is. As you can see in the grass, one side was quite a bit higher. So with these blocks, let me kind of show you how far it is, how far it's off, that is. So on the left side here, I'm just sliding this under. There's 5/8, and let's see if I can get 2. No, can't get 2 at all. So maybe like 6/8 would, maybe not even 6/8, but you can see it's pretty close to being 5/8 there. Okay, let's just leave it there. And let's go on the other side. It's going to be hard to believe. I've already done this. I've already checked it, so I kind of know what's happening here, and it's off quite a bit. So we've got 1, 2, even 3, and look at that. That is off quite a ways from the other side. So leveling the deck from the front to the rear, I'm looking pretty good here. I've just got two of the pieces of wood here, and that's pretty close to the front there, and the back as well. I've got 2, and it's about the same amount of space, so that's pretty level from front to back, back to front. I am working on the third deck position, pretty much the position that I was cutting the grass at. You could probably do this different ways. You could probably lower the deck if you wanted to and start from the deck, touching the ground. But this is just how I'm going to do it. So let me show you the points where you can make the adjustments at now. There's one up here, the left side of the brake, right here. Inside here is a big bolt, or a big nut, I guess. That will need to be adjusted. Let me show you from the inside here. There's some markings showing how to make that adjustment. Again, this is for the 30 inch cut. Not all snappers are going to have this, but maybe you can see that with the arrows there, the up and the down. So that is how the adjustment will be made for the front of the deck. Another adjustment for raising or lowering the front of the deck can be made right here. If you tighten the nut here, it will tighten this bar. That will raise the deck if you tighten it. If you loosen the nut, then it will lower the front of the deck. I'm going to be tightening it some because it also will adjust the lever, the bar here that actually allows you to put it in position for the deck height. I found that it's slipping with me when I'm cutting, so I'm going to tighten the control lever here by tightening the nut here. Just a few turns, maybe a couple of full turns, and that will raise the deck, so I will need to compensate when I make adjustments over here for that. So I'll do this first and then go over here to level that off. Places to make adjustments for the rear. If you just want to raise or lower the rear, then back here you can loosen this nut here, and then you can tighten the nut here, and it will raise the deck. You can see how much space you're going to have there. Maybe you can see that this one's centered here pretty much, but you can make some adjustment with that, and it's just adjusting this cable here. Here's the top of the cable. Cable runs underneath here. It connects to the deck right here. Same can be done over here on the left side of the mower, and same adjustment over here. Just loosen the nut here, and then you can make the adjustment here. Raising or lowering the left side, raising or lowering the rear part of the deck. I don't think I'm going to have to mess with these adjustments back here today. Hopefully I'll be able to do all of it right here up front, but I'm not sure, so I'm going to go ahead and start trying to do it anyway. So I don't have a wrench big enough for the nut here, so I'm just going to use the vice grips here and just clamp them there. And then on this bolt head here, that would be a 3/4 inch. Try to loosen that. Okay. We can start making the adjustment. Okay, it catches and starts raising it, or it lowers it if you keep turning it. So what I'm going to try to do is go with 2 blocks all the way around. There's 3 here, so I'll leave 2 there. Got 2 in the rear. I don't know if you remember, but I had 1 here. Now I have 2, and that's all just from just a slight adjustment here of the nut. Let me show you how the adjustment's made. So if I'm going to raise it, I'm going to pull it back here, and I want you to see how. So I'm going to raise it like. Just moving it that far. And let me just show you. I'll put it back. Put the camera down here so you can see how much movement. I'm going to do the same thing here. So here it goes. So that's just right there. And look how much space I've got now. Too much. Let's go ahead and just lower it just a little bit. Side. Get pretty good here. Now I've lowered it. Now the wood here is against the deck, and I can't even really move it. So I'm going to have to raise that a little bit. There we go. That's pretty good. I'd like to lower it just a little bit more, but I think that's going to be okay. I'm just trying to get them all pretty even here. That's looking good here. It's looking pretty good here. I'm sure the back is the same. Over here on the side now, I've got a still huge space here. Still able to get 3 in. So it looks like I'm going to have to make some adjustment back here. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and tighten the bolt head here. Pretty good on the front, the left side here, rear is good. So yeah, I'll make that adjustment on the right rear and see if I can lower that side over there. Alright, so back at the right rear here, and I'm just going to loosen the nut here using a 1/2 inch. Alright, so now I'm just going to, let's see, what do I need to do to drop the deck? So I will be loosening this nut right here. Alright, so it's closing quite a bit here. Let's do a little more. Maybe we can do it just a little more. good. Okay, all I'm going to do is just tighten the nut here, and we should be good. Okay, good enough. Now let's give it a test drive here, and it's been about a couple of weeks now, so maybe I can cut some grass and see if there's a difference now. So just finished cutting. Cut for about an hour. Went up hills. The deck moved from side to side. And so I just want to check and make sure that it's still where it was when we adjusted it. That's where it was. Remember that. Here we've got two blocks. I never changed the front here. And I'm pretty sure the rear is going to be the same. It's just hard to get the wood in there. But yeah, it's sliding under there. So yeah, that's all good as far as maintaining that adjustment. Let's check the yard. And it is October, so we're not going to have the beautiful green grass that we had earlier. But here's the same cut, same position, deck position, blade position, whatever. Okay, so over here, you don't see any obvious real difference from side to side. I don't really see anything other than maybe a blade needs to be sharpened a little bit. Over here where the gouging was going on, clearly you could see one side was lower, the left side. You don't see that anymore. This is about 3 weeks. Same cut and everything. So yeah, there's a difference, an improvement. So it's pretty cool. I like that. It's not that hard to do. So hope the video's been helpful. And until next time, have a great day out there. Take care.